Hey, what's up everyone? Today we are going to be removing wax
off of the trim pieces I have on the truck here. That's on there pretty good.
You can use something like Back to Black to remove the wax off. Only problem with that is that's more of you're hiding it. You're not really removing it. So after, a few months, Back to Black fades away. You can see the white from the wax, the stain left over again. So today we're gonna be removing this for, I spent about $1 on what we're gonna use, and it should turn out pretty good. All right, we're actually going to use a eraser and erase it off the trim. Actually works really good. I was really surprised the first time I tried using it. So what we're gonna do is just got a pink eraser here, spent $1 for 2 of them at the dollar store a little bit ago, and now I'm just going to try and erase the white stain off. As you can see, that looks a lot better. I just did that one spot right in here. Took it away pretty good. It does take a lot of time. You're gonna have to be very persistent. Just keep scrubbing back and forth. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of it, and then I will show you what it looks like when it is done. One thing I ended up doing was I cut the eraser in half. It was easier to get into the smaller spots. Another thing, you want to be sure you don't scratch up your paint when you're going alongside your trim, or with your fingers even hanging onto the eraser. You don't want to scratch your paint.
It's looking really good. A couple spots in the corners, maybe with some left.
But overall, that looks way better. Before and after, so much better. I'll probably hit it with Back to Black now just to bring back that black in the trim, but at least when that fades away, there's not going to be any white left. This trim is from 2003, so it only makes sense it's faded, and Back to Black will bring that color back. But at least now when the Back to Black fades away, there's not going to be white stains everywhere. So that turned out really good. I'm going to have to do the rest of the door handles now.